Exercise 6.4, question number 4. Find the least number which must be subtracted from 1989 to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the number. So first of all, we will find out square root of number. If I am finding a square root, vertical line, horizontal line, I will make pairs from the last. 3 3s are 9 is very small, 4 4s are 16 and 5 5s are 25 is bigger than this number. So I will take 4 4s are 16 and 9 minus 6 is 3 and you will copy both the digits 389. After that you will double either divisor or quotient, it's same thing. 4 double is 8. Now you will check by which number I should multiply 8 to get a number which is less than 389. Suppose I am multiplying with 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 8s are 24. It is smaller. Let us check for 4 and we all know जब भी हम 4 से multiply करेंगे you have to write down in adjacent. So 4 4s are 16, 4 8s are 32 and you are getting 336. So I will multiply with 4 and your answer is 336. After subtraction you are getting 3 and 8 minus 3 is 5. It means you have to subtract 53 from the given number. So write down subtract 53 from 1989. So 1989 minus 53, you are getting your answer 1936. Now after that हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के बाद वो नंबर मिल गया जो कि परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है. नाउ दे आर आस्किंग फाइंड आउट द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ दिस नंबर ऑल्सो. देन I will find out square root of this number 1936. Again same method, pair, and you will first multiply with 4. 4 4s are 16 and 9 minus 6 is 3 and you are getting 336. 4 double is 8. When I am multiplying with 4, you are getting 336. Remainder is 0. It means the square root of 1936 is 44. So you have seen कि जब भी हमें लीस्ट नंबर निकालना होगा टू बी सब्ट्रैक्शन यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट रिमाइंडर और फिर उसके बाद जो आपकी टर्म आएगी यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द स्क्वायर रूट. नाउ लेट अस चेंज द क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 in which you have to add. If I am find the least number which must be added, and let me change question also by 525. 525. Now here they are asking that you have to find out the least number which must be added to 525 to get a perfect square and then find out the square root of that number. Whenever you need to find out the number to be added 525, again same method, you have to find out the first square root only. Make pair and we all know 2 2s are 4 and then you are getting 125. आप पूरा 25 कॉपी करेंगे 2 का डबल 4 and then I will take a number. ऐसे नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करूँगी जो इस नंबर से बड़ा होगा बिकॉज यू नीड टू ऐड नॉट सब्ट्रैक्ट. अगर मैं 2 से कर रही हूँ then my answer is 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. It is very small. Let us take a number bigger than this and it is 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. So I will multiply 43 by 3 to get 129. Now my answer is, after subtraction, 9 minus 5 is minus 4. हमने बड़ा नंबर इसलिए लिया because I have to add, not subtract. Now I will write down add. अब हमें ये नेगेटिव साइन इग्नोर करना होगा. I will write down add 4 to 525. अगर हम 4 को 525 के साथ ऐड कर रहे हैं, my answer is 529. Fine. Now you have to find out the square root of 529, क्योंकि ये वो नंबर मिला है जो कि परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है. Now I will find out square root of 529. Same method, pair from the last single term, then 2 2s are 4 and 1, and you will copy both the digits, 129, and then double of 2 we all know, 4, and 43 into 3, my answer is 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. My remainder is 0. It means the square root of 529 is 23. Okay? Whenever you have to find out number to be added, आप उससे बड़ा नंबर लोगे, you have to ignore negative sign and then add 4 to the 525 to get the required number. और फिर उसका आप स्क्वायर रूट निकाल दोगे. दिस इज़ वन मेथड. अगर सपोज आपको इस मेथड से नहीं करना, you want to apply the same method, then you have to again find out the square root. This is my second method. It's up to you. You can apply any method. And I will find out 525. Same method. You have to find out the square root by taking pair. 2 2s are 4. And then you are getting 125. 2 double is 4. Now, instead of taking a bigger number, I am taking a number smaller than this. That is 2. 2 2s are 4. And 2 4s are 8. After subtraction, you are getting 41. It means 22 से नेक्स्ट नंबर जो होगा वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर होगा, क्योंकि जब हमने 525 को डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, आई एम गेटिंग सम रिमाइंडर and I have to find out bigger than this number. So next number of 22 is 23. I will write down next perfect square. Square number is 23 square and it is 529. So hence the number to be added it is 529 माइनस आप 529 को 525 से सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे एंड माई आंसर इज़ 4. नाउ आई एम गेटिंग कि कौन सा नंबर आपको ऐड करना है. यहाँ हम पहले ही उसका नेक्स्ट परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर निकाल लेते हैं एंड देन आई विल सब्ट्रैक्ट. आफ्टर दैट आई विल राइट डाउन 525 प्लस 4. नेक्स्ट नंबर इज़ 529. देन after that, find out the square root of 529 by taking pair. Again, same method, pairing from the last. 2 2s are 4 and then 129 and 2 double is 4 and I will multiply 43 into 3. My answer is 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12 and after subtraction my remainder is 0. It means square root of 529 is 23. Thank you.